Dr. Alex Rusero is my name. I am a board member of Zimpapers, currently chairing the Ethics and Sustainability Committee. So we are here for the Cancer Power Walk of Zimpapers, a brilliant initiative in as much as fighting the scourge of cancer is concerned. Zimpapers believe in more than just the providence of information, but also join the nation at large in as much as scourges that are harming society are concerned, and cancer is one of them. So we came here to just rally behind this cause, because the proceeds emanating out of this will be channeled towards the victims of cancer. Cancer remains one of the greatest threats of the 21st century in as much as being a killer disease is concerned. This makes cancer one of the most vicious killer diseases. But together, and with initiatives like this from a Zimpapers perspective, we will win. This awareness alone tells a lot. This initiative alone tells a lot. And as Zimpapers, we also prioritize the healthy community reporting, where these things are articulated on a daily basis. So we do not just wait for 1 November for our Cancer Power Walk, but we do have programs in all our media products, Herald, Diamond FM, Star FM, Capital, to mention but a few, where we dedicate space towards the fight of cancer. So we commend and applaud the government for allowing us to innovate and thrive and believing in us. And we pledge as Zimpapers that we will join initiatives, brilliant initiatives, in as much as fighting cancer is concerned. As you are aware, this is also a top government priority at the level of the highest office, because you also have the First Lady, Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, having certain initiatives through a Angel of Hope Foundation prioritizing cancer. So we join this bandwagon, we join this brilliant initiative, and we are not going to be left behind, because we believe that together Zimbabweans will defeat cancer.